Hola. Morning guys. We are in Mexico City and we're on our way to a cafe to grab a little bakery good. This is Andrew here. Hola. He has his own channel as well, so go and subscribe to him. I'll put the link below in my description. But yeah, let's go grab a coffee and a bakery good. What do you think of the food?
Yeah, the food was really good. The croissant I had was really good. The caramel and mascarpone was really, really nice. I preferred it over the chocolate one.
Yeah, the chocolate one was a little bit too rich by the end of it, but I like it still. Yeah. But I also love the building.
Yeah, it's a really nice building. You'll find that there's a lot of Mexican architecture like this, where this would have originally been the outdoor area, and then when they renovated it, they passed over it and turned it into a really fancy restaurant. But there's a lot of buildings in Mexico like this, or Mexico City, where they've got this really nice space that originally would have been the outdoor area.
Well, it's stunning, and there's a lot of greenery here as well. So
there is,
like trees. There's a tree trunk.
Tree in the middle.
There's two. So we just had breakfast at the cafe there. It was so good. We don't know how to pronounce it. What was it?
Is it Cuina or Chuina? Can someone that can speak Spanish tell us how to pronounce the restaurant? We'll put the name of it down below.
So we've just made it to our second stop for the day. We've just called an Uber here, and for about maybe like a 10 to 15, 20 minute drive, I think it costs anywhere between $5 to $10. So Uber's pretty cheap here, and it's our main form of transport if we need to get around town besides walking. So yeah, and now we're gonna go explore a market. So get excited. This is really nice. I like this. We come to our third spot for the day. We have come to a cafe to look over the dome here. Oh, it's warm. So we just got these bao buns just from in Chinatown here. I've never seen anything like this before, and we're like, why not try them? So this one is this strawberry and cream. Let's dig in. Very sticky, but that's the inside. It's like a strawberry jam. I'm not really getting much of a cream taste, but not bad. Does it taste like strawberry jam to you?
Yeah.
Like a jam donut.
A jam donut?
Yeah, that's a good way to explain it.
It is. It's a jam donut without the cinnamon sugar.
Just in a really sticky bun.
It's like an Asian jam donut.
Yeah. So we've come down the bottom from where we were at the top of the cafe, and we're standing, I believe, in front of the Palace of Beautiful Arts. There is a museum here as well, and there's a line for people to get through, but we're not going to do that today. We've got plenty more to see, but if you want to come here, add this to your list as well. They're doing some traditional dancing. We've just stopped and had a look, and it was amazing to see. Very colourful outfits, really nice. Restaurant, or cafe actually, and it overlooks the Aztec ruins, and it's not far from the massive square here in Mexico City. But we're going to grab some lunch, and that's probably it for the day. Have you had a good day?
Yes, I had a really good day.
That's good. Me too, actually. It's been a great, like we've been in this area before, but it's great to come back and seeing all like the dancing. Icing on the cake. Okay guys, we have finished our time in Centro for the day, and we're going to end the video here. Remember to subscribe and follow along for next week's adventure. Bye.